welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to decorate another space around the house, but this is going to be a little different. So if you want to see how I decorate this space, just please keep on watching. I'm going to stoop a little and make this video because my stand is not in line with my height. And for all of you who were telling me regarding my audio, I did put my mic today, but you see it has like a wire, so I hope the audio is better today and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. So yeah, let's get started. So the space in question today is this area. It is right next to our drawing room and I wanted to make like a really nice cozy corner out of it. You can see we have a 3-seater sofa. We have the chairs upstairs because we didn't have much space to put everything here. We have a center table right on the rug. We have a few things beneath, but then that's every Indian household stuff. So I have already put the covers on the sofa, and this is of the same green velvet material that we had made the covers for in another previous video for the chairs outside. So the cover, and this pink is actually really interesting. It's a fabric that I had and I wanted to add something opposite to what the top of the sofa was looking like. So I put in this pink fabric and I made like a cover for the lower cushions, and this is all in one, so this is not like 3 cushions separately. This is a cover all in one. My camera is not focusing. Yes, so as you can see, we have a lot of light in this space. We have like a big window here and then we have windows there and there, so we have quite a lot of light all around this space. So let's see what we can do with this. So first thing first, I wanted to make sure that everything is perfectly placed before we can even begin. So I moved the sofa a little bit. So I moved the sofa a little to that corner, so I have more space to work around the entire place. And now the most essential part of any decor when it comes to sofa has to be the cushions. So I'm going to quickly go and grab the cushions, but before I grab the cushions, I have to decide on the 3 primary colors like in my previous video I had said. So the 3 primary colors for this space has to be the green that I showed, which is moss green. Not exactly moss green, it's like a pistachio color or whatever you can say. It's also part of sage, of the sage green family. So it's green, and the other color is pink like I told you, and the third color for me here was golden. So I have kept the 3 colors in this way, and then I'm going to add in all the extra accessories and cushions and the other stuff which you'll get to see through the video. So all of them are in one way or the other associated with these 3 colors. So yeah, so let's start with the other sections of this space. So I have just put the first 3 cushions, and one thing that I wanted to really focus on while decorating the space was textures, because everything in this room is so plain. We got the space colored, however we have the beige and we have the light brown going on, but everything is super plain. So I wanted that at least when I'm putting in the cushions, I have a lot of textures. So as planned, you can see the cushions have so much texture. This is, I think, from Hometown or Home Center, I don't recall. This is definitely from Skipper. This is also from Home Center. So they all have textures, like this one has a nice texture, and this one definitely has ruffles and everything. Even that one is not print. So each of the cushions have textures. I'll bring in more cushions and you'll see that they also have a lot of character to them going on. So they're not very plain, because that's what really gives dimension to a space when you put in a lot of textures. Because especially when you have something that is flat, like my sofa cover is flat, so what happens is your eyes are automatically set on that flat color. when you put textures, then you get a lot more definition, you got a lot more dimension to the same space. So I'll grab in the other cushions and you'll see I have put textures on, I have put textures like in a super priority, high priority while decorating the space. So the next 3 cushions are also done. You can see that this is a velvet finish cushion. This is also from Skipper. It's the same as I had shown in the previous video. That's blue, this is green. So this also has sequins and everything. And this is by far my most favorite cushion. This is called a mermaid cushion. And this is so fun. Just see, this is so fun. So I always keep playing around with this cushion. It has sequins which are like dual toned. So you can play with them. You can create, you know, let me just show you. So you can create like different kinds of letters from them and stuff. So yeah, you know, so you can do all that stuff. So yeah, it's fun to play with this cushion. So now all the cushions are lined up. You can see all of them have a lot of character, individual character to them. So everything is very different from one another, and this just you know, makes the whole space come together. So I'll just quickly arrange them a little more and show you the final result. So that is the final result. I just changed the cushions a little bit. I think I'm going to put this at the back and this in front. I'm still undecided because this has such a lovely floral texture. I'll probably just put this at the back and put the other one in front. Let me just do that. Yes, on camera. So yeah, there are the cushions. You can see there's a lot of space in this section. So I'm going to put something like a lamp or something that just helps me to read when I'm sitting here, because I do that. And then of course a plant is missing, so a plant has to be there. Now for the center table, I have used this rug. Now this is a little different from the other decor items that are here. So those are more colorful, but this is black and white. But I think it just neutralizes the color that I already have. So yeah, let me grab the other accessories on that corner right there and come back. Yeah. Alright, so I have added the lamp right there. I'm here to take off the plastic. I really don't want to because it gets so dusty. So this is how the lamp lights up. That's a pencil. Just it's all around the house. Pencils are all around my house. So this is how it looks when I light up the lamp. I'm going to grab my plant and be back in a sec. So I have put the plant as well. So this is how the lamp looks, and again, one of those golden planters that you saw outside. So this is where the golden part of the decor comes in. So I have gold, and I have green, and I have pink, and I also have brown, it seems. So this is how the whole place looks, and I've also turned the lamp on. It's like almost 5:30. So yeah. So this is how the whole place comes together. Now, as you know, we have a center table, so we have to decorate the center table. So I'm going to grab some really cool magazines that I have and just going to decorate the center table. So for that, I have a little bit of a fashion magazine. So I have a Vogue, and then I have a, I don't know what this is. So it's a Casa Vogue. So I have both of these. I love putting coffee table books because they look so amazing, especially when someone is coming over, so they can just take their time and just read the books and chill for some second. So I've put the 2 books, but my decoration is still not done. So I'm going to grab this really cool stone ashtray that I have. So this was made by one of my relatives and she gifted this to us. It's made of stone. It's an ashtray actually, but I've never used it like that. So it looks really nice and has a lot of what I love about the fact is that it's handmade, so it has so much of, you know, roughness. It's not very perfect, and I think that's what makes this so beautiful. But I'll add something more as well to this since I don't use it as an ashtray. So yeah, I'm gonna grab this lotus. Yes, so this is a lotus and it's actually a candle holder, but I think it it looks really nice with the magazines right here, especially with that yellow cover. So that's how the place looks. Yes, during the evenings. I am going to take the table a little closer to the sofa, a little far away, but then I leave a lot of leg space, so if somebody has long legs, they can just sit and relax. So yes, my decor is done. I have put the curtains. I'll just quickly show you the curtains. Like in every space, I have put 2 layers of curtains, starting with the middle layer, which is more translucent, sheer, and transparent, sheer. And then I have the other layer of curtains. Those are like printed, and again they have like yellow, green, all of those dominant colors. Let me give you a quick look at how this place turned out. Yes, this is how it turned out. Whew, lot of work. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button up on my channel. I try to make videos related to interior decoration for the most part, but I also make videos related to wellness. So if that's your jam, then please stay subscribed to my channel. Yeah, that's it. You have a great week ahead, and I hope you find peace and love. So bye.